Hello everyone, I am Harjinur Kaur of class 12th B. I am going to represent before you a video project on poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum written by Stephen Spender. Stephen Spender was an English poet and essayist. He took a keen interest in politics and declared himself to be a socialist. In An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum, he has concentrated on themes of social injustice and class inequalities. Living in an age of social instability and economic bankruptcy, he highlights the harsh realities of life as experienced by the slum children and brings to center stage the issue about the gulf between haves and the have-nots, increasing at an unimaginable pace, resulting in the deprivation of basic rights to education of children in slum. Today I am going to talk upon the life of children in slum is like that in a dark and a dingy hole. The poem expounds the idea of a world not divided along monetary acquisitions, especially in terms of opportunity of education of poor children. The above statement is proved to be true by the themes of the poem, that is poverty, knowledge and revolution. Poverty. The theme of the poverty is principal to the poem, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. The people fight the battle of life unarmed and ill-equipped. They know only one sensation, that is hunger, and this forces them to steal for their existence. They make desperate efforts to strive for their survival, which is crushed and crammed in an unhealthy, filthy hole. The children of the school look pathetic. They look mere skeletons as their bones peep through the covers of their thin skins. Their hungry eyes, like that of rat, are searching for food and contentment. Surrounded by dirt and apathy of the people, they have no time and money to clean themselves. Their hair is scattered untidily around their faces. A tall girl student is weighed down and burdened by the harshness of life. Another student, a boy, is weak and timid. Malnutrition kept him short and stunted. Their childhood gets wasted on heaps of slag and garbage. Their fate is to rake in garbage for leftovers and discarded things. Knowledge and its effect on revolution is a key theme in An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. This poem strongly embraces communism and its ability to transform education and uproot poverty. Yet Spender's underlying embrace of education stands above everything else as the most empowering and most important influence on the future of humanity. For Spender, the children's mind possess the power of the sun and the ability to clear the fog from the bleak future. Appeal to administration. The poet appeals to the administration to liberate these children from the horrible and dirty slums and let them breathe in a healthy environment. Let them run carefree on the golden sands, for the world of the children should not be confined within the walls. The poet's earnest desire is that these children should be able to enjoy their fundamental right to education. Ending the poem on a positive note, the poet feels that people who are enlightened by the fire of knowledge are those who create history. He wishes that all the distinction of rich and poor and all forms of injustice should be wiped out so that no childhood gets lost in the gloomy darkness of ignorance like that in slums. Thank you.